Begin by selecting the Continue with NHS Mail button to log in or sign up using your NHS Mail account. Sign in here using your NHS Mail details. If this is your first time signing in, you will need to verify your identity using a code from your mobile authenticator app or a text message. Next, use the search bar to find your pharmacy by entering a name, ODS code, address, or postcode. After finding your pharmacy, click the Join button. Click Join to confirm this. Start by clicking the New button. Select Message Patient. You can search for a patient using just their NHS number. This searches the NHS spine for the patient's details. Use a template or questionnaire, or write your own message here. Questionnaires include New Medicine Service pre-consultation and Pharmacy First symptomatic forms. Check the Allow Reply box to enable the patient to respond to your message. Click the Attach button to add a file or document to the message. Click Send to deliver the message to the patient. Click New to create another patient message or start a new task. Select Message GP from the drop-down to communicate with a GP practice. Again, simply search for a patient using their NHS number. Use a template or write your own message. Preview your message and click Send. You can see on your message whether the GP practice has read it.